Good morning, students, and welcome to this recorded session. Today, we have to continue learning about science. As you can see, kids, science is very important in our life, and now we are learning a lot of things about it. In the first unit, we learned about the microorganisms, also the cells, the animal cells, and the plant cells. Today, we have to continue with the classes that we left the last time, right? And in the last class, we were learning about vertebrates. So, what were the types of vertebrates? Yes, I hope that you remember them. So we have five types of them. As you can see here, kids, so we have five types of vertebrates. We have the reptiles, amphibia, mammals, birds, and fish. What do they have in common? All of them, well, all of us, we have a spine. Okay, so and that is a main part of our skeletal system, our skeleton. Now, we are going to learn about the characteristics of the vertebrates, kids. What would be the characteristics of them? Well, in the first one, we have the fish. And what happened with the fish? As you know, they breathe underwater and they use gills, not lungs. Lungs, so terrestrial animal use lungs. But the water animals, in this case fish, they use gills. They also live in water, they have scales and fins, not hair or fur like mammals. They are cold-blooded and they lay many eggs. Now what happened with the mammals? The mammals have hair or fur. So as you can see, hair or fur in the entire body. They give birth to live young, well, to newborn babies. Mammals' mothers nurse their young with milk. Also, we have lungs and need air to breathe. Mammals that live on land have four legs and ears that stick out. And we are also warm-blooded. What did I say we? Because we are part of mammals, kids. Let's continue. What happened with birds? Well, the birds have feathers and wings. They lay eggs and they have two legs. Their ears holes instead of ears. Okay, they don't have any ear. They have ear holes. And also they are warm-blooded. We continue with the reptiles. The reptiles, as the fish, they have scales. They don't have fur, but they have a dry skin. They usually lay eggs, but sometimes live young. They ear holes instead of ears. They have ear holes instead of ears. And they have four legs or no legs in the case of the serpents. And they are cold-blooded. Now we have the amphibians. And what happened with the amphibians? So these are very special kids. Why? Because they start their life living on water, but when they grow, they start living on earth. Okay? So and they have feet, webbed feet, webbed feet, and they breathe with lungs and gills. So if for that reason that I tell you that amphibians are very special, they have moist and smooth skin, moist, húmedo, and smooth skin, suave piel. They don't have any hair or fur. They had four legs. Sometimes they don't have any leg. But they lay many eggs. Ellos ponen muchos huevos. So these type of animals, when they reproduce, they lay eggs. Ellos cuando se están reproduciendo, ellos dejan sus huevos. Now, my dears, in order to start with the experiment, I have a video that I need to show you. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy it because I took a lot of time to do it. Okay, so let's start with the video and I hope that you like it.
Good morning, students. Welcome to this session, and today we're going to make an experiment. Well, this experiment that you will see is about the vertebral column or the spine that it is that all the vertebrates have in common. So, let's go to see, and I hope that you enjoy this experiment.
For making this, we need an egg block, we need straws, and we also need scissors. Okay, you see the straw now.
Okay, kids, what do you have to do? So, firstly, you have to go for your egg bucket and for scissors, right? So we have to cut them. Now I have made it before doing this. So you have to make something like this. You have this, right? You make something like this. And then you have to make a hole. So you can see that there is a hole in it, right? So how can you make the hole? So by using this scissor. Okay, so you use the scissor to make the hole. Then you use your straw to pass it one by one. Like this. Okay, at the end, so then you place it here, and at the end you will have something like this. Okay, let me show you this, that I have something prepared for you. At the end you have to make something like this. So, now kids, as you can see, this is the final work, and as you can see here, this is only a model of what a real spine is, right? But in the real one, we have different parts of them. So, you know kids, that we have 7 types of cervical spine. Also, that we have 12 thoracic spine. Then we have 5 lumbar spine. Then we have 5 sacrum and 5 coccygeal, and that is for humans, kids. So the human has those types of vertebrae in order to have it with the complete skeletal system, and that is the main part of the skeletal system. So one more time, kids, I hope that you enjoy the class and you enjoy this experiment, and when you do it, cuando lo hagan, tengan cuidado con las tijeras. Ok, pídanle a un adulto que los ayuden para que puedan hacer esto mejor, ¿sí? Okay, one more time, kids, I have to say goodbye and see you in the next chapter. Bye bye.
Bye bye.